Initially, raw materials such as animal fats or bones undergo pretreatment processes to remove impurities and prepare them for further processing. This stage often involves cleaning, cutting, and grinding to achieve a uniform size and consistency. Once prepared, the materials are subjected to cooking in specialized cookers that use steam or heat to melt the fat content. Following this, the extracted crude oil then enters the filtration stage, where it is passed through multiple layers of filters to remove solid residues and particulates. Filtration ensures the oil is clear and free from unwanted substances before entering the refining process. The refining unit plays a crucial role in improving the oil's quality by removing odors, colors, and other undesirable properties through processes like degumming, neutralization, bleaching. Finally, after refining, the oil is ready for packaging. Modern packaging systems automate the bottling and labeling processes, ensuring hygienic and efficient handling throughout the entire production line. Automation and control systems monitor and adjust parameters such as temperature, pressure, and flow rates. In conclusion, an animal oil refining production line integrates various technologies and processes to transform raw animal fats into refined oils suitable for consumption or industrial use. Each component in the system contributes to the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the operation.